What quantum physics teaches us is that everything we thought was physical is not physical. Quantum physics tells us that nothing that is observed is unaffected by the observer. That statement from science holds an enormous and powerful insight. It means that everyone sees a different truth because everyone is creating what they see. Quantum intuition. Everything is energy. Everything connects everything. Energy carries information. The past and the future all exist simultaneously. Therefore, as energetic beings, we have access to the past, present, and the future at any point in time through energy. If you understand that everything is energy, you can also understand that everything you think, believe, and feel consists of energy. Your attitude or focus vibrates, and those vibrations affect the quantum fields that energy constitutes. Hence, your focus actually has the power to alter the appearance of your physical circumstances. Let's see the importance of quantum physics. Woohoo! 1. Quantum physics gives us in-depth view of atomic and subatomic particles. It is the foundation of quantum chemistry, quantum field theory, quantum technology, and quantum information science. Quantum mechanics explains the aspects of nature at small atomic and subatomic scales, for which classical mechanics is insufficient. So if you learned something new in this video, so please like, share, and subscribe this video for more interesting updates.